In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine your QuickBooks version with ease. Whether you're just starting out or you've been using QuickBooks for a while, knowing your version can be invaluable, especially when troubleshooting issues or when you need to upgrade to a new feature. So let's walk through the simple process step by step to help you find out which version of QuickBooks you're currently using. First things first, to get started, make sure you're in front of your computer with an internet connection. You're going to need to log into QuickBooks Online, so launch your preferred browser and head to the QuickBooks Online site. If you're unfamiliar with how to get there, simply type QuickBooks Online into your search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once the site is fully loaded, look towards the top right corner of the home page. You'll notice a sign in link, probably in a bold font, waiting for your click. Go ahead and click on sign in. It's time to log into your account, so prepare your email and password that you use specifically for QuickBooks. If you have multiple accounts, double check to ensure you're using the right credentials associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Type in your email address and password carefully to avoid any login errors. Accuracy is key when entering this information, especially if you have complex password settings enabled. Make sure caps lock is off if you're not using capital letters, and double check for any typos. Once you're sure everything's correct, you'll notice the sign in button. Giving it a click will bring you one step further into finding that elusive version information. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted with your QuickBooks Online homepage. It's time to navigate towards the settings icon, which is normally depicted as a gear-shaped symbol. You should find this in the top right corner as well, similar to other account settings or user management sections in various apps. Clicking on the gear icon will open a drop-down menu, which is crucial for us to proceed. From the drop-down menu options, find and select subscriptions and billing. This section is especially useful as it holds all the essential information about your current subscription plan. Whether you've been with QuickBooks for years or you just recently joined, the details here are well laid out and straightforward to understand. By clicking subscriptions and billing, you'll arrive at a page revealing your subscription details. Now, what we're really searching for is your current QuickBooks version. Conveniently, as soon as you open the subscriptions and billing section, you'll see the version information listed alongside your plan details. Your current plan, along with any special features included, is your QuickBooks version. It might be named something like QuickBooks Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced, depending on what you've selected when subscribing. This information may seem basic, but it's crucial for a variety of situations. For instance, if you ever need help from QuickBooks support, knowing your version speeds up the process. Furthermore, if you're considering an upgrade to unlock additional business tools that QuickBooks offers, checking your current version helps you make informed decisions. And there you have it. Locating your QuickBooks version is as straightforward as that. No need for any technical expertise, just a few clicks and you'll be informed and ready to tackle any issues or expansions your business requires. Remember to keep your QuickBooks login details secure, as this protects not only your business data, but also the functionalities and information about your subscription. If you found this guide useful, or if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Sharing knowledge and tips among users can be a game changer, so don't hesitate to engage. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you whatever your next step with QuickBooks might be. Keep exploring more features, and until next time, have a great day.